Welcome to this video on UI elements in Sigma. UI elements take a Sigma workbook from a static dashboard into an interactive experience. In addition to improving design, they help users navigate, interact, and make better decisions with your workbook and data applications. In this video, we'll cover text elements for adding context, buttons for triggering actions, and images for enhancing layout and branding. Let's start with text elements. To add a text element, go to UI elements in the Add Element bar, select text, and place it in your workbook. You can adjust the formatting to fit your design. They're useful for titles, labels, instructions, or even dynamic values that update based on data. For dynamic text, use formulas to reference data sources, allowing text to update automatically as the data changes. This is helpful for displaying real-time values like the most recent date in your data source, total filtered records, or key metrics. Once you've added clarity with text, the next step is enabling user interactions with buttons. Buttons let users take actions like navigating the workbook, applying filters, or initiating actions in a data application. To add a button, go to UI elements in the Add Element bar, select Button, and place it where you need it. Once added, set the button's label to clearly indicate its function, like Apply Filter or Go to Summary. Next, let's assign this button a job. Buttons can be configured to do a variety of actions, and we'll cover several scenarios in more details in separate videos. For now, let's keep it simple with a navigation action that moves between workbook sections. One powerful feature of buttons is that we can apply the same dynamic text functionality to their labels, making them even more effective. Alongside buttons and text, images can improve both branding and usability in your workbook. Use the image element to embed logos, icons, or even custom designed buttons that match your branding. By combining text, buttons, and images, UI elements make workbooks more interactive and data apps more intuitive, giving users a seamless way to navigate, interact, and take action.